Hello, welcome to our video about PT Punjo Farm. Let me introduce myself. My name is Katarina Nimas K NRP 052118400020. First, I will tell you about the warehouse management. Okay, so the first is before I tell you about the new inventory warehouse. First, I will tell about the initial inventory. In PT Punjur Farm, they only use one warehouse, but in different locations. So I will show you how to configure this. And the first is go to the inventory module, of course, and then go to settings, and then you can see the what is this location and warehouse section, and there's a warehouses and location usage level. Just only manage only one warehouse composed by several stock location. Let's we move into a new inventory warehouse. To create a new warehouse and to see our warehouse, you can go to inventory module, and then in warehouse management there are locations. So we have three location. The first is stock, second is richer, and the third is scrap. If we see in the stock, there are additional information, and the location type is internal location is, and then check the is a return location because it can be a return location too in stock. And then the second is richer. Of course, in richer you can it can be a return location too. And then the last is a scrap warehouse. It will be different because we check there is a scrap location, but it's still in the same location type, internal location. And next to initial inventory, we check that the items in inventory with actual items is very important, so the problems don't occur in the future. So we have to make sure that the items are available must match with the amount recorded on order. To set the initial amount in our inventory, go to inventory module, and then in inventory module, and then we can go to inventory control and inventory adjustment. And this part I will just explain it, not make it. I will explain you that it has been integrated well. So for this sample, we can take this arugula. In arugula, we have a location in stock, and the real quantity is 30 kilograms. Maybe it's mean that 30 kilograms, and then we move into reports, and then click into inventory valuation, and then yes, there's arugula here, and we see that quantity is 30 kilograms. Like in an inventory adjustment, maybe yes, there's a 28 kilogram and 2 kilograms. It's just different time, but well, for the total amount of the arugula is 30 kilograms. Mean that the order that we configure the adjustment is correctly. Yes.
My name is Nizar Alief H. My student number is 0049. Now we are going to inventory, and then uh, on the operation tab, plus all transfer, and then create. Now we are going to fill in the source location zone, which is where the item came from, and the destination location zone, which is where we are going to transfer it. I'm going to select return here, and then after that we are going to pick the product that we want to transfer. So we press add an item, and then we are going to select let's say baby beans. Now we want to transfer 5 kilos of it. Looking good. And then we are going to go to additional info, and we are going to select the delivery type all at once, and picking up type to internal transfer. After that, we choose all at once because it's only a few, so we can do this instantly. And picking type is internal transfer because we are going to transfer it uh, into different warehouse, and we are going to press validate. If this notification came up, you just need to press apply. Now we are going to talk about inventory return and scrap to find the reference of the operation we want to do a return. So, like for example, we want to return this operation. We are click Now we are clicking on it. So after we are seeing this form here, we can see there is a option for return and scrap return operation. We are going to press this return button, and as you can see, this is the item that we want to return. Warehouse stock, and then press return. Now loading. Now we press validate. After this, you just need to press apply.
Hello, my name is Brilliant Hartono. My NRP is 052 4074, and this time I will explain Udo on the manufacturer side. So let's log in, and our Udo is already on online server, so our team we can access it from everywhere. So take a look from what I know. For the first part, I will explain the BOM, level on BOM, the amount produced per BOM, and component needed, and the amount. So the second is manufacturing lead time. So what's lead time on each product to be made, and the third is manufacturing order, number of product produced, component consumption amount, and location of component and finished product. So start from BOM, the level of BOM. So our team already made the BOM for this Bonjour farm. This you can access it from manufacturing and bill of material. The bill of material. Okay, for the first is level of on BOM. We already made the soup packets. The component are broccoli 1 kilo, sliced shallot 1 kilo, baby bean 1 kilo, and box 1 pieces. So the level is the first because this already finished product. From this component, this already turned into soup packets. And the second is the amount produced per BOM. For the amount, there are 1 pack. We use this measurement. For the component needed and the amount, yes, I already explained it before. Broccoli 1 kilo, sliced salad 1 kilo, baby bean 1 kilo, and box 1 pieces. So next, the manufacturing lead time. For this company, we setting it to 2 days. Basically from the module. So the next is manufacturing order. For the MO, the number of product produced, okay, we already made it. This we can see it in reporting because it's already made. So for the second MO we made soup packets 1 pack, and component consumption amount. For the amount, it's 1 kilo broccoli, 1 kilo sliced shallot, 1 kilo baby bean, and 1 piece of box. And the location of component and finished product. For its component, yes, the source location is from warehouse stock into the virtual location production, and yes, it's stock in warehouse stock too. From the production, it moves into warehouse stock. So that's all from the manufacturing module, and thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. So I'm Ocha from SAQ class, which unit number 54 will explain about the accounting modules in Odoo.
Okay, for the first thing, we will demonstrate about the accounting section, which is the income reconciliation. First thing first, we have to make sure that we already installed the accounting modules, and then we can go to accounting modules, and then for the income reconciliation, we can move to the payment section. On the payment section, we can see that there are 3 kinds of reconciling payment. The first one is income reconciliation, and then another 2 is outcome reconciliation. On the income reconciliation, we have to really pay an understanding about some things that really important to the income reconciliation. First thing is we have to make sure that the payment amount is on the positive value. It means that the positive value will take income into the company, and then we have to make sure about the payment journal. The payment journal, in this case, we use the cash instead of bank account, and then we have to make sure that it's really the same as the payments that have been made on the sales. If we use the cash, we can see that on the dashboard there are graphs on the cash section. Okay, for the second thing, we will explain about the outcome reconciliation. First thing, we have to make sure that we are already on the accounting modules, and then we can move to the purchase section, and then we can move to the payments, and then we can see that there is one reconciled payment. This payment, we can click on that, and then we can see that there are 29,000 rupees payment amount to the supplier, and then the payment journal is on the cash. We have to clearly make sure that the payment amount is the same as the order that we made to the vendor before. And then we have also make sure that the payment journal is already the same. In this case, we use the cash instead of bank account and other payment type. We can use the cash. As on the dashboard, there will be a graph that describes the cash flows on the company. Okay, for the last thing, we will demonstrate about the printing document. First thing, we have to move to the accounting modules, and then we can see that there is report section on the left sidebar, and there are PDF reports and the categories is as follows. Today we will make the sales or purchase journal. we can click at this section, and then we will choose the entries sorted by date, and then we can adjust the start date is on the 1st of January, and then the end date is on the 20th of March, and then the journals will be as follows as the default, and then we can press the button print. And after the document has been downloaded, we can open up directly. And then there are vendor bills journal and the sales journal report as follows.